We're here in the airport. Melissa's not having it. She doesn't want to do a recap with me, but she's on screen here. Addie, are you okay? She needs a napkin. You got one? We'll be back to do this recap.
This time I'd like to remind customers of free boarding.
I'm trying to do a recap here, but this guy's been talking for like the last 20 minutes. Okay? Good? You drink? This guy will not shut up so I can do a recap. He's literally been talking for like 25 minutes straight. He's talking just so he can hear himself talk. Anyway, all right.
The price goes down. We'll watch for
But
it.
sometimes you'll go for it and then call back daily and get $20 to $40 a day until it gets down to a reasonable amount.
That's definitely a good point. Once you
Hey,
book
come
something
here.
to upgrade,
Cough on me.
definitely want to call back. I can't tell you how many times I call back the next day and the prices went down anywhere from $50 to $200. Could be more. Always call back the
Most
second
time.
the next day.
Plus I can get my sliders.
Let's see which one we can get a better road time for. It'll help narrow it down.
Okay, watch her work her magic. This is where she's good at. These are the tips and tricks that she needs to start sharing with you all. You can always upgrade to a non-guarantee, right?
Yeah.
Is really that much more money to
It's,
guarantee a room?
so either one could potentially get suite guarantee or a junior suite. So let's see what the upgrade cost would be for these two. Should be kid sale free. So it's just a matter of what it costs to add here.
For fees and taxes.
So this one, if we do
And make sure we have a
radiance,
three bedroom or triple occupancy room. Might require an upgrade, right?
yeah. Sometimes there is, sometimes there's not. It doesn't make any sense. I think it depends on what agent you get. All right, so for the radiance room, it's $21.10 for two, or $32.65 for a grand suite. So it's actually cover your mouth,
Cover your mouth,
please.
baby.
All right, so then 21.
Here you go, cough in my arm. There you go, good.
Let's see what it costs to add her on. 110 to 2213. So this is showing that we should just have to pay taxes and fees to add her on.
Okay.
And it looks like it's about a $1,000 upgrade for a grand suite.
It's on the edge.
Yeah, it's close. The price goes down. We'll watch for
But
it.
sometimes you'll go for it and then call back daily and get $20 to $40 a day until it gets down to a reasonable amount. You're gonna have to go into more detail on what you're doing here. Maybe share a screen or something so everyone can see what you're doing. Master planner.
All I'm doing is checking the cost to see what the junior suite is.
Sure.
For your offer, you get a balcony for two for
That's
on
nice.
Explorer,
Mm-hmm.
and you get a balcony for two on Radiance.
Okay.
So
What's Explorer class?
Freedom.
Freedom?
Dang.
Should have these memorized by now.
Either one of those ships will be the last
Royal
one.
Caribbean class ships. Huh?
Either one of those, I think, will be the last ship in the class that we haven't been on.
Battery died, so I had to put a new one in. So this is the guy that helped us. We're gonna make our contact with him, so I'm gonna leave him alone. I'm gonna thank him, but they canceled Addie's flight on the way back home. No reason, no notification. Even when we tried to check in, all it said was it needed more information, not that she didn't have a flight or a seat. She's a 4-year-old. How's she gonna stay in Miami by herself? Anyways, they worked it out. Took forever, but they got it done. I was kind of expecting Miami Airport to be a little more, I don't know what's the word, extravagant, I guess. Not much in here, especially for Southwest. But it is what it is, I guess. I'm sure they'll rebuild a new one soon. Find a bathroom. Get back to the girls. Some people are visual people like me. Have to see it in action. All along.
So 24, 22. Go to a junior or a grand suite. It's like twice the price. 5,000. So potentially we would have to pay, or just stay in a junior suite.
Pay what?
At least for this is Explorer. We'll pay $2,500 to upgrade to a grand suite,
Which we don't pay that much
which
ever.
is too much
for anything. Okay, you keep on doing what you're doing. You seem grumpy. Are you still grumpy Gills still?
No.
You still grumpy Gills?
No.
Look at the camera and say, I'm not grumpy Gills.
Not cookie dough.
I think you are.
Yes, not. Stop.
Okay, what?
Said everybody's off the ship for 4 days.
Yeah, but you can't gamble on 4 days, so
We can't triple pay.
sure, I guess that would work out. What days is that? Is that a weekend? Has to be, right?
Yeah, I think this is the
Can't not be a weekend.
April 30th.
Is that a holiday?
You know,
So we'll have to be creative with that.
yeah, April 30th through May 4th.
When do we go on the adventure?
Forgot about that.
May 5th?
No, it's the 9th.
In a different city?
That one goes out of Orlando.
Sounds exciting though. If we can make it happen. It'd be a tough one.
My mom is going with us on that one now. She ended up having to do back. She'd have to do both of them. She's not gonna fly by herself.
Yeah. Synapses you want to pause. So we have some options, some ideas. You think about it on the plane? Probably not. When we get back, make a decision. Make it happen.
I'm going back home.
Go back home?
Yeah.
Get on the plane?
It's done.
At least it's a direct flight. We don't have to stop anywhere. That's nice.
Open seating here at Southwest. It is going to be a completely full flight change to the road. That could come on towards the back.
Like this.
Your seat located at the row you'd like to sit in.
Thank you. She's coming back up that way, guys.
Caution, the moving walkway.
Let's go. Yep, let's go. Argentina, huh?
My mommy's gonna pick me up.
You gotta go? Yeah, but you gotta go.
Come on, Abby.
Off to find the cheetah bus. You wanna be buckled? Or you good? Buckle?
No, buckle. Buckle. Please buckle. Buckle.
Now we're back home and it's less than 20 degrees outside.
Amazing, I love
I hate
it.
my life.
Feels great.
Daddy, I'm
Can't
good
wait to
there.
move away
I'm
warmer.
good there.
I'm not sweating.
So cold.
I'm a teddy bear. I'm a teddy bear.
Hey bear. Hey bear.
I'm a teddy bear.
Bear's crooked. Abby, stop.
Oh, good.
Let's try. Okay, sit down, please.
Good.
She's also
Good. Alright. We're all in. Time to go home.